Namaste, myself Mr. Vaibhav Baburao Magdum, Assistant Professor in Electrical Engineering Department at an autonomous institute, NAC accredited with A+ grade, DKTE Society's Textile and Engineering Institute, ICHALKARANJI. Here I am going to give you information about opportunities in electrical engineering. Opportunities in electrical engineering. Every year, about 10% of engineering students complete their electrical engineering degree. The next question what arises in the mind of these electrical engineers is what are the career options after the graduation, that is after completing B or BTech degree in electrical engineering. In this video, we will see the job scenario for freshers who complete BE or BTech in electrical engineering in the core field. The jobs for electrical engineers are divided into three categories. The first category is design or analysis. The second category is manufacturing or maintenance. And the third category is research. The design and analysis engineer mainly works on the development of better electrical equipments, network analysis in the power systems, testing of electrical equipments, and these design and analysis engineers uses the various different design softwares like CAD, etc. for equipment drawings. The next category is manufacturing and maintenance engineer. The manufacturing and maintenance engineers works mainly on manufacturing units of various equipments like home appliances, transformers, generators, etc. The maintenance engineers mainly troubleshoot the plant equipments. Further, these maintenance engineers are also responsible for planning the maintenance schedule of the plant. Further, they are also responsible for the fault analysis and the rectification of these faults in the electrical plants. The next category is research engineers. These research engineers mainly works on the control algorithms, the optimization techniques. Mainly they use the modern tools like computational methods, and these research engineers are involved in usage of simulation softwares so that to improve the particular technique and have a better utilization and optimization of the current method. The electrical engineers job sector are mainly divided into three types of the organizations. One of them is a public sector organization, second is a government sector organizations, and the third is private sector organizations. In a public sector units, the majority of the jobs are for manufacturing and maintenance engineers, and a few are for design and for research engineers. Most of the public sector units recruits the engineers based on the score obtained in a GATE exam, that is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, while a few public sector units conduct their own entrance exam. The most popular public sector units are as given here. One of them is BHEL, that is BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. Next is Power Grid, PGCIL, that is Power Grid Corporation of India. Next is NTPC, that is National Thermal Power Corporation Limited. Next is ONGC, that is Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, and IOCL, that is Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Besides this, there are few more public sector units in which the electrical engineers has the opportunity to have their career. The next sector is a government sector. The government sector jobs are majorly for research engineers and a few for manufacturing and design engineers. The job opportunities in government sectors are very few and are also competitive. Most of the government sectors conduct their own entrance test, and some of them recruits the engineers based on the GATE score. The most popular government sectors are DRDO, that is Defense Research and Development Organization, ISRO, that is the Indian Space Research Organization, and BARC, that is Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Besides this, there are few more government sector units in which the electrical engineers will have their jobs and careers. The next sector is a private sector. The private sector jobs are for majority of manufacturing and maintenance engineers, and few jobs in the private sector are for design and for research engineers. The private sector units majorly recruits the electrical engineers, and the top private industries conducts a campus recruitments and interviews in the institutes to recruit directly from the campus. Small private industries recruits by advertising and consultancy. The most popular private sector industries are ABB, that is Asia Brown Boveri. Next is Siemens, Schneider Electric, GE, that is General Electric Limited, and L&T Larsen Toubro Power Limited. Besides this, there are many more private sector units where the electrical engineers can carry out their career. Thus, based on various criteria, the electrical engineers have various job opportunities after completion of their B or BTech engineering degree. Thank you.